how massive is it? I saw an interview of yours, a portion rather of an interview of yours with Jessica Soho. Ang sabi niyo po, sa sobrang dami ng pera na kinukurakot, ay inilalagay sa isang, bumibili sila ng 2 or 3 bedroom condominium. At doon po inilalagay sa, yung sa pera, yung pera nilalagay doon sa kwarto. Sabi mo nga hindi na sa vault. Sa kwarto na po nilalagay. Could you further explain that, sir?
Alam mo, unbelievable nga eh. Unbelievable, Pinky, ano? Na ganun na karami yung pera nila. If you notice, tingnan mo na lang yung sa flood control. Billions are actually involved. Nawawala yung billions. How much, alam mo ba na for the past 3 years, when we were doing a review and we started to drill down on the data derived from the GAA, nalaman namin na about 600 plus billion was actually poured into flood control projects for the past 3 years. Isipin mo na lang kung, sabihin na lang natin, 20% or 30% ang nakuha dyan. Can you just imagine kung gaano kalaki yung perang nawala dyan, mga 200 or 300 billion pesos. Pero it's not only 200 or 300 kasi ang laki. Napakalaki ng porsyentong kinukuha eh. Iba pa yung porsyento ng politiko, iba pa yung porsyento ng implementing agency. Iba pa yung binibigay sa mga losing bidders. Kumbaga parang rig lahat na eh. Iba pa yung binibigay sa mga inspecting engineers. So makita mo talagang napakalaki nung nawawala doon sa pera. So hindi bihira lang. And so kung titingnan mo billions of pesos ang nawawala o kaya naibubulsa ng mga korap na politiko. So that's why when you're talking about 1 billion pesos at in-stock mo yan, stock mo yan at 1,000 pesos, that's about 5 feet by 5 feet by 4 feet. Are you aware that if you're stealing 1 billion peso a year, you're stealing 2.7 million a day? Magkano yung kinikita ng mga taxi driver dyan? 700 pesos, mga jeepney driver. Yung mga vendors, 400 pesos. Nagbabayad pa yan ng tax. Habang sila, ninakaw na nga nila, billions of pesos, wala pang tax. Kaya nakakalula talaga. Kaya talagang, alangan namang pababayaan lang natin, tatahimik na lang ba tayo? And this is people's money. And this money also came from the taxes that we pay. Diba? Dapat makialam tayo. Hindi yung sarili nakala mo, they treat it as their own money. We're not going to allow it.